Hi children, today we are going to learn a poem Yellow Daffodil. I request all of you to open your textbook page number 23. Yellow Daffodils. See, point your fingers on the words. I am going to read the poem. Okay. Yellow, yellow daffodil dancing in the sun. Oh yellow, yellow daffodil, you tell me spring has come. I can hear a bluebird sing and hear a robin call. But yellow, yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. See, yellow daffodil. Here, poet is saying to yellow daffodil. Daffodil in the sense, daffodil flowers. Did you see daffodil flowers? See, daffodil in the sense a tall yellow spring flower. One tall yellow color flower is there. What is the flower? That is yellow daffodils. What is the color of daffodil? Yellow. Okay. And it is a tall yellow flower. Okay. See, yellow daffodil dancing in the sun. Here yellow daffodils are dancing in the sun. Dancing in the sense it is moving like this. We can see the flowers and plants. It is moving now. Moving in the wind. Right, left and right. Yellow daffodils dancing in the sun. That movement, poet is calling that movement as dance. Yellow daffodils dancing in the sun. Oh, yellow daffodil, you tell me spring has come. When we can see flowers in spring season, right? Spring. When it is spring season between winter and summer, when new plants grow and flowers bloom. In spring season, in the sense when it comes in between winter and summer season, we can see which season will come. Spring season. Spring season in the sense in this season, the spring season only, new plants will grow and flowers will bloom. Right, we can see many flowers wherever we go. We can see their flowers in spring season. Right, in spring season, flowers will bloom and new plants will grow. Right, see. Oh, yellow daffodil, you tell me spring has come. I can hear a bluebird sing. I can hear a bluebird sing and hear a robin call. What the poet can hear? He can hear a bluebird sing. A bluebird is singing. The poet can hear that. And hear a robin call. Robin. Who is robin? Robin is a small bird. See, robin, a small brown bird with a red breast. It is a small brown bird. In the picture also you can see on the fence who is sitting? Robin bird is sitting, and one more bird is there on the tree. Which bird? Blue bird. Right. This poet is telling to or speaking to yellow daffodils. What? I can hear a bluebird sing. A bluebird is singing. I can hear that. And also I can hear a robin call. Robin sound also. Robin bird sound also I can hear. And but yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. Poet loves yellow daffodils. Poet is saying that yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. I love you so much. To whom? Poet loves to yellow daffodils. These yellow flowers. See in the picture you can see yellow daffodils flowers, right? And what is there? Bluebird is there and robin's picture also is there, right? See, when we can see the flowers, when the flowers bloom in spring season, right? In spring season. And in spring season, when the flowers grows, we can see many birds, right? Birds are birds, and of course butterflies also we can see there, right? And birds sound, we can hear the sounds of birds, and we can see in spring season there will be more flowers, right? Many flowers we can see, right, in spring season. See, I'm going to read the poem once again. Listen very carefully, okay? Yellow, yellow daffodil dancing in the sun. Oh, yellow, yellow daffodil, you tell me spring has come. I can hear a bluebird sing and hear a robin's call. But yellow, yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. See, this is today you have to read the poem twice or thrice, at least 3 times you have to read the poem. That is your homework. Today's homework is to read the poem. Okay, read the poem properly. And this is your homework. Today you have to read the poem at least 3 times. Reading homework is there. Okay.